What's up guys? We have tested many projectors from Amazon on our channel Tech Brothers, and you probably haven't even heard the names of many of them. So I decided to check out a projector from a company that everyone knows about, Xiaomi. I ordered the new Xiaomi Redmi Projector Lite from China many months ago, sometime in April 2024, and only now I'm ready to test it out. Looking ahead, if there was more information or videos on YouTube about this projector, I never would have bought it. I hope my video will stop you from buying this projector, or if you do want to buy it, at least you will know what you are getting. Let's start the review of the Xiaomi Redmi Projector Lite. You know, I ordered the new Redmi projector for 699 Chinese yuan, or about $100 US in China, but I got two boxes. One of them has a projector itself, and the other has a bag for it. Let's open the box with a bag. You know, this is probably the highest quality case of any projector I have tested. It has some kind of leather handle, and even a label with the composition of the case. Inside it has special places with snaps for accessories such as power adapter, remote control, and so on, and the place for the projector. To be honest, I thought the projector was bigger than this place. We will try to put it here later. Now let's open the box with the projector. You know, it is quality packed in foam. First we have the user manual in Chinese. Power adapter, remote control, and even batteries to it. Then we can get the projector itself. We will take a closer look at it a little later, but now let's put it all together in the case. We can put the remote to this compartment and the power adapter here. At first I thought this case is not for the Redmi Projector Lite, because it wouldn't fit here. However, you just need to push harder. You know, this case is even too good for a $100 projector. Moreover, I am glad I got it for free. You know, this design is very familiar to me, because all Redmi projectors look something like this. For example, Redmi Projector and Redmi Projector Pro. However, the Redmi Projector Lite is only available in white color with a gray front panel, so you can distinguish it from other projectors by its color. It is also the most compact projector in the series. Its dimensions are 172 by 145 by 113 mm. The weight is 1200 grams. There is a lens on the front of the projector, as well as autofocus and automatic Keystone correction sensors. The back panel has a huge vent grille. I think the speaker is also located here. Among the connectivity options are DC-in power, USB 2.0 port, HDMI port, and headphone jack. The projector has only power button on top. On the bottom, we can see 4 rubber feet, as well as a tripod mount hole. You know, Xiaomi smart home devices are famous for their minimalist design, and the new Redmi Projector Lite is one of them. It looks very simple, but it is very well made. Okay, now let's talk about the main problem of this projector. You know, it is very easy to use the Redmi Projector Lite, because it automatically adjusts the focus and keystone. When you move the projector further away or closer to the wall, it adjusts the focus, and when you move it up, down, or to the sides, it aligns the image. You can turn off autocorrection in the settings if you want. When I was talking about the problem, I didn't mean autofocus and keystone correction, but the smart system. Since the Redmi Projector Lite is only released in China, it has a Chinese smart system. I think it is called Mi TV, right? Everything here is in Chinese. However, I was able to switch the language to English in the settings. But nothing changed on the home screen. Only the settings are in English now. Let's take a look at them. First, you can connect to the Wi-Fi network. I have already done this when I first started the projector. In the general settings, we can change language, input method, device name, power on auto, one touch play, and restore factory settings. There are also power usage options available, such as shutdown on idle, screensaver, and screensaver style. In the device and Bluetooth menu, we can see that the remote is connected. Since this is a MiTV system, you can log into your Xiaomi account. There are also security options here, such as unknown sources and restrictions for public places. The display settings have backlight mode, display parameters, projection mode, and picture zoom and displacement. I told you about the automatic and manual focus and Keystone settings. There are also sound settings on this projector, as well as signal source and about. As you can see, I have a system version 1.9. You know, I tried to run some applications on this projector. But I failed. They were completely in Chinese, and I didn't know what to choose. I thought the solution to the problem is to connect my laptop to the projector via HDMI cable. However, when I plug in the cable, I went to the signal source, and I didn't see HDMI there. I couldn't find anywhere how to switch to HDMI. But then I found a Screencast and Mirrorcast. This was only the way for me to connect an external device to the Redmi Projector Lite. Now it is like a second display for my laptop. Of course, it is very inconvenient. You always have to connect your laptop to the projector to watch something. I will look for a way to change the MiTV to another smart system. But now let's talk about image quality. The first thing I noticed when I saw the image of the Redmi Projector Lite was the very rich colors. It is very similar to DLP projectors, which are typically more contrast than LED. However, the manufacturer says that the contrast ratio of the new Redmi projector is only 1000 to 1. Talking about native resolution, it is 1080p. The picture is very clear, and I don't even see that the edges are blurred like other budget projectors. By the way, I tested the Redmi projector at a distance of 2.5 meters from the wall and a screen size of about 80 inches. The recommended maximum image size of this projector is 100 inches. However, you can even put it closer to the wall, like about 1.5 meters, and get a 55 inches projection screen. The monitor on the desk is 24 inches, and the projection screen above it is about 55-60 inches. As for the brightness of the Redmi Projector Lite, it is 150 CVIA. I have never called projector brightness in CVIA before, because it is a new standard in China. To be honest, I cannot tell you how much it is in ANSI. I feel like the brightness could be a little higher, because the dark scenes in movies lack detail.
Rome ever built the Colosseum, because this is what they believe in. Power.
However, it is only a $100 projector, so it is okay.
Did we just jet off to a billionaire's island with a bunch of strangers? He's not a stranger. He's Flavor King.
You can even watch videos with the light on.
Did we just jet off to a billionaire's island with a bunch of strangers? He's not a stranger. He's Flavor King.
I can't tell you how healing it's been just to disconnect.
Let's come up with a plan to kill these people.
Let's watch some more videos.
Behind early in the game, you've got both these teams have to play from in front. I really believe the team who gets out to a 10-0 lead gets to play for 3 quarters without having to drop back and have their quarterback make play after play. The team who gets the lead early, huge advantage in this one more than normal.
Did you hear that crowd? The greatest temple Rome ever built. The Colosseum. Because this is what they believe in. Power.
Did we just jet off to a billionaire's island with a bunch of strangers? Oh, he's not a stranger. He's Slayer King.
I can't tell you how healing it's been just to disconnect.
Phones, please. Wait, for real?
It's just better without phones. I hope it's okay. This is my favorite one.
My head.
How you choose to use this power is up to you. We roll out.
What?
Louder.
Transform and roll out!
Right. Or maybe they'd help me out with some heavy weapons. So this is Kajimi's... They won't quit!
We're here. I've got trace toxins on these canisters. This is all manicool.
Mitchell, load the FRBs. Let's seal this up.
By the way, I forgot to measure the noise level of the Redmi Projector Lite. It is about 50 decibels near the projector and 46 decibels at 1 meter. The fan noise is about the same as other LED projectors I have tested. You have already heard the sound from the built-in speaker of this projector when you watch videos. What do you think of it? The Redmi Projector Lite is equipped with a 5W speaker. I think the sound is very decent for ultra-budget projector. So if you ask, would I buy this projector again? I guess not, because the Chinese smart system makes the projector almost impossible to use outside of China. I couldn't even switch it to an HDMI signal source. On the other hand, the Redmi Projector Lite has the best image quality of all the $100 projectors I tested. I especially like its rich colors. In addition, autofocus and automatic Keystone correction are rare features for a projector in this price range. I will try to install another system or a launcher on the Redmi Projector Lite, and then it will be the best one for its price. In the meantime, I wouldn't recommend buying it. Thank you for watching. See you soon!